So what is 3T Fitness and what are we all about? Well, 3T Fitness came about by me wanting to create something that's bigger than myself, basically. I've obviously got a massive passion for health and fitness and helping people achieve some of the things that I believe I've achieved in my training career. The benefits of mastering your health and fitness go way beyond the physical, and I basically want to be able to reach as many people as possible. To help as many people as possible find that themselves. So 3T Fitness, what we're trying to achieve, well, my tagline, if we're going to talk about the tagline, is empowering people with the tools to master their health and fitness for life, in a nutshell. So that means that after someone's come in and worked with 3T Fitness, I want them to go away and be able to basically nail their health and fitness for life and not feel that they ever potentially need to have a coach ever again. Invariably, different goals come up and people will maybe want to work with a coach again, but that is the goal. Like, we want you to come in, nail things, and then feel like you've got all the tools that you need to then go in and excel, in a nutshell. So let's talk a little bit about